Topic is complex C declarations. This is the topic. I'm going to discuss now. Be careful, everyone. Complex C declarations. Date is 29/04/26. This also please take care, right? Most of the things we done, in my opinion, 99% I done, right? Maybe this also, if you cover, you will get the maximum advantage. Right? Let's finish it up. This also. Let's finish it up. This also. It's not that much important, but listen one time. Listen one time, you will get the guarantee some advantage. Right? I'm starting. Everything is ready. I'm starting. Complex C declarations. Right. Yeah. Let me start now. Let me start. I think I shared some screen also. This is the screen. I shared the screen also. This is the screen. Be careful. So one by one I will go. One by one I will go. Right? I shared the screen also. One by one I will go. Right? Let me maximize a little bit. I think this is perfect. Complex C declaration in C programming. Examples. So see the first one. See the first one. Int I means everyone now. What is the meaning of int I? Int I means I is an integer. So question number one, I think no one having any doubt. Int I means I is an integer. Right? So in the examination, they will give int I. They will ask you what is the meaning of this declaration. So you have to say I is an integer or integer variable I. But start from the operand onwards first. Start from operand onwards first. Operand onwards start first. I is an integer. Okay, fine. Can you see the second one? Int A of 10. Right? Start from operand. Go to operand first. Int A of 10. Int A of 10. So I will write here also. I will write here also. See. Int A of 10. See the question number 2. Question number 1 we done. Fine. What is the question number 2? What is the question number 2 saying is int A of 10. That means, right, so start from left hand side wherever operand stop it. Start from left hand side wherever operand stop it. So to this operand, two people fighting, int also, bracket also. A finally will go with bracket. That means A is an array which contains 10 slots. The meaning is A is an array which contains 10 slots. A is an array which contains 10 slots where everyone is an integer. Everyone is an int. Everyone is an int. Everyone is int. So like that. They are not pointer, integer data. Everyone is an integer data. A is an array which contains 10 slots where everyone is an integer. So right, I think that one everyone know. The same thing I written here. The same thing I written. Can you see this one? Int A of 10. A is an array which contains 10 slots where everyone is an integer. Or A is an array of 10 integers. Meaning should be same. Do whatever way you want. Remember, start from the operand. Come from left hand side. Come from left hand side. Wherever operand stop, to that operand two people fighting. Left person is int, right person is bracket. So A will go with bracket because bracket is highest priority. A is an array which contains 10 slots where everyone is an integer. That is the question number 2. I think people don't have any doubt. Can you go to question number 3? Int star p. I think start from operand. Start from operand. So P is a pointer variable because for the P only one person fighting. P is a pointer variable. Right? P is a pointer variable. Pointer variable means address variable. If you go to that address, integer there. So P is a integer pointer variable. Or P is a pointer to an integer. P is a pointer to an integer. Okay, I think that is also okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. So again, for the P purpose, two people fighting. Star also, bracket also. Bracket is the winner. P is an array which contains 10 slots where everyone is pointer to an integer. P purpose, two people fighting, star also, bracket also. Bracket is the winner. So P is a array which contain 10 slot, where every one is a pointer to an integer. That is the question number 4. If anyone having any objection, you can ask me. Simple. Question number 2 is A is a integer data array. Question number 4 is P is integer pointer array. P is integer pointer array, right? A is, right? So I think in the question number 4, P is a integer pointer array. Question number 2, A is a integer data array, right? I think question number 4 also completed. Can I go to question number 5? Can I go to question number 5? Int f and bracket. Remember f purpose, only one person fighting, that is bracket. But remember it is a function bracket. F is a function. That function don't take anything, that function finally return integer. F is a function because f purpose only one person fighting. Int is a keyword, that's okay. But f purpose only one person fighting. F is a function which don't take anything, but finally that function return integer. Question number 5 is like that. I think, do you have any objection till now? Until question number 5, do you have any objection? Let me know. So we have approximately, I think I can say around 38 questions are there. Lot of repetition will be there, don't worry. Just reading one time, Until 5 I done. Do you have any objection? Let me know. First 5 everyone know. First 5 questions, first 5 small declaration. In the exams are how they will give. They will give one declaration. They will ask you, can you say what exactly the above declaration is? In the options, you will see that. They may not ask, but it is better to know. But don't by heart, go systematically. Start always from operand. To that operand, one fighting or two fighting, observe. If at all two fighting, highest priority you go. Right? So I think question number 5 also completed. Go to question number 6 carefully. Carefully observe question number 6. Question number 6, carefully observe. Right? I think if you observe clearly, one bracket is there. I think how many brackets are there? Outer, if I see 2 brackets. Outer. Right? Outer, if you see 2 brackets are there. But inside the first bracket means right bracket, left bracket. Left bracket, right bracket. But if you see the left bracket, again inside there is a 1 bracket. Right? I think this one I will write first, I will explain. Let me write now. So function C bracket. I think question number, what is the question number? 6 or 7? I think 6. Question number 6. Everyone observe. Question number 6. So function bracket star bracket, I think bracket some integer. I think this one. Let's check. Is it same? 1 star inside, 1 star outside also. 1 star outside also. Yeah, this is. Everyone observe. What is going on? Everyone observe. So 2 bracket. Left bracket, right bracket. If you want, you can verify. See the C language priority list. C language priority list one time you check. C language priority list C one time. 2 brackets are there. Brackets are having highest priority, okay. If more than 1 bracket, remember brackets are having left to right associativity. Left should be done first. So comparing left bracket, right bracket, left bracket should be done because brackets are having left to right. Okay, left bracket I am doing. But left bracket if you see, right, go inside. Because of left bracket should be done. So left I am doing. Go inside. If you go inside, it is operand. It is an operand. To this operand purpose, 2 people fighting, star also, bracket also. Finally, bracket is the winner. So remember, function C is a function. Because first you have to go to bracket. It's operand. Operand should be read first, right? So function C is a function. Function C is a function which don't take anything, but finally it returns a pointer. Function C is a function. That is the first one, which returns pointer. which return pointer. You may say that, sir, what that pointer? That pointer is, right? So function C, right? Function C is a function which don't take anything, which will return pointer to a function. Pointer to a function. Pointer to a function. That function don't take anything. Finally, this function return integer pointer. So this is number 3. This is number 4. Observe properly. Function C is a function which don't take anything, which finally return pointer. What is the meaning? What you want to say finally? Function C is a function which don't take anything, but finally it returns a pointer. What is that pointer? That pointer, if you see, that pointer pointing to a function. That pointer pointing to a function. Finally, right, this pointer pointing to a function, right? Finally, this function, second function, whatever is there, it don't take anything, but finally that function return integer pointer. So I given the numbers also, same way you can write. What is that one? See this one. Function C is a function. Function C is a function, right? Which don't take anything. Which don't take anything. Which don't take, function C is a function which don't take anything, but it return pointer to a function. Which don't take anything. But finally return integer pointer. Function C is a function which don't take anything, but it return a pointer to a function which don't take anything, but finally returns a integer pointer. Right? Remember, 2 pointer. First pointer pointing to a function. Finally that pointer, right? Pointer pointing to a function. Finally that function return integer pointer. So numbers also I given, follow the numbers. What is the number 1? Function C is a function. What is the number 2? It don't take anything, but it will return a pointer. Right? It return a pointer to what? It return a pointer to function which don't take anything, but finally return integer pointer. So in the question number 6, right, it is going to be very interesting declaration. That is the reason this topic name is called complex C declaration. This is called complex C declaration. I will go to question number 6 one time. I given one example also. You will get the clarity. Question number 6. Am I given any example? No, I'm not given. I think further examples also there. We will see that. Don't worry. So what about question number 7? Can you see this? Question number 7. I think question number C, if you observe, just go to directly operand. Directly go to operand. Operand is PP. So PP is a integer double pointer, because PP purpose only one person fighting pointer. PP is a double pointer to integer. PP is a pointer to an integer pointer, because it's a double pointer. Pointer to integer pointer is a pointer, but pointing to integer pointer. What is the meaning? I am pointing to one more pointer, means I am a double pointer. Simplest way of saying is PP is a double pointer to integer. Simplest way. PTR, right? So PTR to a means pointer to a pointer, pointer to a pointer means double pointer. Question number 7, it's normal. Question number 7, it is normal. Can I go to question number 8? Into star PA bracket. Int star PA bracket. So let me go. Question number 8. Int star PA bracket. Question number 8 I am going. Yeah, I think this is. I will go once again. Int star PA bracket. I think that's perfect. Now you can read once what it is. As usual, go to operand first. As usual, go to operand first. Remember to this operand first, right? Go to the operand first, okay. But first question is how many bracket? 2 bracket. Left bracket, right bracket. I think brackets are highest priority, so 2 bracket. Left bracket, right? Both the priorities are same. Associate is left to right. Means left bracket should be done first. So left bracket should be done. Now in the left bracket, go to operand first. 2 brackets. Brackets are highest priority, and because of 2 brackets, same priority. Associativity left to right. Go to the left bracket. In the left bracket, go to operand first. So remember, for the right operand is PA. PA purpose only one person fighting star. PA purpose only one person fighting, so star. What is the meaning? So PA is a pointer. Because PA purpose only one person fighting, so PA is a pointer. PA is a pointer. That is the number 1. PA is a pointer. Okay, that's okay. PA is a pointer. PA is a pointer. It's something like this. See this one. PA is a pointer like this. Some address. PA is a pointer. Okay, I understand. Pointer means what? Address. PA is a pointer. Means address. Right? Address of. Address PA is a pointer. Okay. Pointer to what? Pointer to. Is a pointer. That is okay. Pointer to. Pointer to an array. Pointer to an array, which contain maybe 10 slot where everyone is an integer. PA is a pointer. Pointer means address. If I go to that address, then what the answer? There is an array. If I go to that address, there is an array which contain 10 slot. That PA is a pointer. Pointer means address. If I go to that address, there is an array which contains 10 slot where everyone is an integer. This is the diagram. So I am writing PA is a pointer pointing to an array which contain 10 slots, where each slot contain integer. PA is a pointer pointing to an array which contain 10 slot, where each slot contain integer. I think question number 8 is this. Do you have any objection? Let me know. Do you have any objection? They may not ask you, but however, sometimes they asked already. Sometimes. In the previous years, they asked something. It is better to know. Don't by heart. It is better to know. Don't by heart. My request is don't by heart. It is better to know. Check one time. Everyone check. Do you have any doubt? Until question number 8, do you have any doubt? Bro, verify. Question number 8. Do you have any problem? 2 brackets are there. Both the brackets are having highest priority, but unfortunately same priority. So associativity left to right. Go to the left bracket. In the left bracket, go to the operand first. Right? For the operand, only one person fighting, that is star. So PA is a pointer to an array which contains 10 slot, where everyone is an integer. So if you want, you can see the same thing is written or not. Check question number 8. PA is a pointer to an array of integers. That's it. Go to the question number 9. Read the question number 9 also. Almost similar. Question number 9 also almost similar. See this one. Question number 9. 2 brackets. So go to the first bracket. First bracket purpose only one person fighting star. So PF is a pointer. Pointing to a function which will take 2 integers as input, which will return integer as output. PF is a pointer to a function which will take 2 integers as input, which will return integer as output. Exactly. Previously, in the question number 8, PA is a pointer to an array. Now PF is a pointer to a function. Right? In question number 8 is array, pointer to array, where everyone is integer. But here PF is a pointer to a function. Some people are asking, sir, pointer to array means, if I am pointer to array, means I am a pointer. Inside address there, if I go to that address, there is a array. PA is a pointer to array. Means PA is a pointer means PA contain address. If I go to that address, there is a array. In the similar way, PF is a pointer, means address. Address is there. If I go to that address, there is a function, not array. There is a function. That function will take two integers as input. Finally, that function return integer as output. So PF is a pointer pointing to a function which will take two integers as the input, which will return integer as output. Let me know if any doubt. PF is a pointer. PF is a pointer to a function which will take two integers as input, which will return integer as output. Yes? Yes? 8th one, 9th one, same. 8th one, pointer to array. 9th one, pointer to function. Sir, pointer to array means what, sir? I have address of array. Pointer to array means what, sir? I have address of array. Sir, what is the meaning of pointer to function, sir? I have address of function. I have address of function. Other than this, what is there? I have address of function. Other than this, nothing is there. I have address of function. So address of function means what is the behavior of that function? It will take two integers as input, which will return integer as output. So if I have address of a array, means I am a pointer, I have address of array, means pointer to an array. I have address of a function, that means pointer to function. Pointer to function. Other than this, nothing. Question number 9, do you have doubt? Maximum they will do declaration, they will ask you, can you say what is the meaning of this declaration? In the options you have to find out. Don't by heart anything, systematically go. Two brackets. Brackets are highest priority. So two brackets. Both the brackets are having same priority. Associated is left to right. Go to the left first. In the left one, if you go inside, there is a operand PF. PF purpose only one person fighting. So PF is a pointer. Because only one person fighting, I have to go with him. PF is a pointer. Oh, PF is a pointer means inside PF address there. But if I go to that address, there is a function which will take two integers as input, which will return integer as output. So if you don't know, I given some example also. Can you see? I given one example also. This is the example. This is the example. Be careful. This is the example. I given one example also. This is the example. Until here. So this is the main function. This is the main function. This is the function. This is the main function. This is the function. Right? See what will happen. What will happen? It is a function declaration. See. It is a function declaration. What I declare? FP is a pointer. Pointing to a function which will take two integers as input, which will return integer as output. I declared a variable. See, right? If you want to use any variable, first you have to declare. First you have to declare. So if you observe clearly, FP is a variable. But what kind of variable? FP is a pointer variable. But pointer to whom? Function, which will take two integer, which will return integer as output. So remember, FP is a pointer variable, but pointer to function. In the place of pointer to array or pointer to one integer, pointer to array of integer, it is a pointer to a function. Declaration. If you want to use any variable, first to declare. So I declared. But remember, FP is a pointer variable, but pointing to function. Pointer variable means what? Address. Address of what? Address of function. Okay, fine. Right? So next one, what happened is, okay, you declare. Remember, FP is eagerly waiting for address, but address of a function. Then what happened is, FP eagerly waiting for address of function. So remember, see, it is a function. Function name means address. Function name means base address. Array name means base address. Function name means base address. So remember, add is a function name. So function name is nothing but address. So remember, I give an address of a function. So FP contain address of a function. That's what the FP. FP is saying that I am a pointer variable. Means I need address, but address of a function. So FP expecting address of a function. That is the reason FP normally called as, right, functional pointer. Pointer to function is known as functional pointer. FP is waiting for address of a function. So simply I give a function name means address only. Right? I think that's fine. I'm just giving little idea. I will with the help of the pen also I will explain. Next one, printf. See, normally if you want to call any function, function name 3, 4 you will call. So remember everyone, variable name means inside. So FB contain this address. Add means address, right? So what I can do is, right? See, carefully observe. So I will go to the, I think it is a function number, question number 9. Question number 9, don't worry. Question number 9, I will write roughly. Int add, int next one, I think what is that one? Next one is saying return or what? Return a plus b, int a, int b. Return a plus b, int a, int b. Return, guarantee will get return a plus b. End of this. Remember, function name means base address. Function name means base address. Let us assume its address is 1000. Function name means base address. Now let's start main program. Let me start main program. Int main. Be careful. Int main, go inside. So I declare one functional pointer into star fp into. So I declared one variable. So what happened? Fp is a pointer variable. It's having address, right? Its own address is 2000, okay? But is waiting for address of a function. That is the reason Fp is called functional pointer. Fp is a pointer. Fp is a pointer, but pointer to function. So Fp eagerly waiting for address of a function. So Fp eagerly waiting for address of a function. Instead of giving address of a function, I give in the function name. Function name means, remember, base address. I give in 1000. So whenever you say 1000, right? So Fp is a pointer, you give in 1000, you will point to 1000. So if you want, you can check Fp pointing to function. Fp pointing. Pointing means what? You give an address, you will point there. But if I go to that address, there is a function. That is the reason Fp is called functional pointer. Pointer to function. Be careful. Now listen everyone. If I want to call add function from the main, people used to call like this one. Add 3, 4. People used to call this one. This can be done very easily. See this one. Add 3, 4. This is one way. Another way of saying the same thing. Fp of function, right? Everyone know variable means inside 1000. Fp of 3, 4. Both are same. Function name means base address. Fp already contain base address. These two will be similar. These two will be same. If you want, you can see, go to the code and you can check. Same. Either you can call Fp of 3, 4 or add 3, 4. Both are same. Add 3, 4 you can call, or Fp of 3, 4. Fp contain, right, base address, which is nothing but add. Fp 3, 4 okay. Add 3, 4 also okay. There is no objection. Okay, that's called right, functional pointer. Using functional pointer, you can call like this, or directly if you want to call it. This is the direct calling. It is a direct calling. It is an indirect calling. Both will give same story. And one more thing I will give, please listen. One more thing I will give. FP, I think FP means 1000. Remember, when you say print FP, it will print 1000 only. That is okay, right? FP star, FP star, that is also 1000. The only thing is, when you say star, you went inside. You are not executing, you went inside. This is you are outside. Simply FP. FP means 1000. You are at here, 1000. When star FP, you came inside. You are not running, but you came inside. That is also 1000. That is also 1000. Now listen. FP, star FP you done. You are at inside. After going inside, pass parameter 3, 4. It will give answer as 7. 3 here, 4 here, it will give 7 as the answer. Right? This is simply outside. FP means 1000. Star FP, go inside. Then pass parameter, then it will run. After going inside, call the function. So this is equal to this. It is also 7 print. It is also 7 print. All three same. Using functional pointer, how to call a function? This is the way. Using functional pointer, how to call a function? This is the way. Right? So those people who are having small doubt, code also I written. Code also I written. You can see here. See. FP 3, 4. It will print 7. Next one. FP. Print function address. FP means 1000 base address. Star FP. Enter inside function, but that is also address only. Right? Star FP. Go inside 3, 4. You enter. It is a function calling. It is exact like third statement 7. So this is also 7. This is also 7. If you call directly add A, B, that is also 7. Right? If you don't agree, I am ready with the code also. Can you see the code? I am ready with the code also. Can you see this? Can you see this one? See, first printf. First printf. You call the, right? Yeah, I think FP means add function address. Assume that 1000. So FP means add of 3, 4. 7 will come. 7 will come. Next one. So FP, print 1000. Star FP, that is also 1000, but you are inside. Now after going inside 3, 4, this will also print 7. Right? This will also print 7, but these two people will print address. If you want, you can execute. If you want, you can execute. So can you see this? First one print 7. Second, right? Last one also print 7. Two addresses you are printing. But when you are printing address, not percentage D. Percentage U. Address, percentage U. Otherwise, what is the meaning of percentage U? Right? Unsigned integer. No sign. If at all percentage D, if you keep, first bit is normally for sign purpose. Negative or positive. When you say percentage U, unsigned integer, no signs, positive, negative, nothing is there. Everything is positive only. If you want, you can check. Right, second printf, third printf will print the same address, but one is outside. FP means simply outside the function. Star FP inside the function. But remember, after going inside, call the function. So this is. It is also function calling. It is also function calling. And if I say same thing with the help of add, also same thing will happen. With the help of add also, same thing will happen. So let me check one more line. I will write. Normal thing. With the help of add also, you can do. Copy. Let me do this. Three, 4. I think it will also give same answer. Let's check. First 7, second 7, first 7, normal function calling, second 7 with the pointer, functional pointer. Right, next one, FP means base address, star FP also base address, star FP after going inside call. So I think 3 times 7, 2 times address. Let me know any objection. This is called functional pointer. What is functional pointer? Functional pointer means I am a pointer, but I have address of a function. I have the address of a function. FP also. FP means what? 1000. Why 1000? You said FP is equal to add 1000, FP also 1000. Add 3 comma 4, which is equal to FP 3 comma 4. Both are same because FP means add only. Add plus keep FP or FP plus keep add. Both will give same story. If you print FP, printing the address. If you print the add also print the address. If you print star FP, that is also same. Some people, if anyone having doubt, can you print that also? Can you print that also? Print that also. Print that also. So I will try here. This is add. Add also same. And one more thing is star add also. FP star FP. FP star FP. Add star add. Add star add. All are slash n. Now you see the same story. Can you see this? First one, add 3 comma 4, 7. Second also FP 3 comma 4, 7. Next one, FP address. Star FP also same address. FP address, star FP also address. Next one, add also address, star add also address. Star FP 3 comma 4 after going inside call. Call means bracket 3 comma 4. Call means bracket 3 comma 4. If you want, you can check. See, I think line number 19. Line number 19, if you see, add is there within the bracket 3 comma 4. That is called function calling. FP is there within the bracket 3 comma 4. That is called function calling. In the question, in the line number 21, FP there no bracket. Function calling not there. Star FP there no bracket. Function calling not there. Add is there no bracket. Function calling not there. Star add is there no bracket. Function calling bracket is not there, right? So address only. See this one. If you see the question, line number 25, right? Star FP is there, but bracket 3 comma 4. Bracket 3 comma 4 is a function calling. Is it okay? Are you getting? Reddy sir, you are spoiling our life. Reddy sir, you are spoiling our life. Just if you learn this also, it will be easy. Just follow. One time listen. One time listen. By learning, you don't lose anything. By learning, you don't lose anything. Functional pointer. Finally, you have to understand what is functional pointer. What is functional pointer? Finally, you have to understand what is functional pointer. Functional pointer means is a pointer, but pointer means address. I have, right? I am a pointer means I have address. If I go to that address, there is a function. Are you getting? Are you getting? What is this nonsense? What are you doing, man? You didn't take a class yesterday. Today you came and you drunk and you came and you are talking whatever way you want. Anjali want to say you didn't came yesterday. You didn't inform it to us also. Today you came. Suddenly you woke up. Suddenly you woke up. You are talking like a drunk person. You are talking like a drunk person or drunk fellow. You are talking like a drunk person, drunk fellow. So Anjali want to ask me like this. Soham want to ask, are you drunk fellow? You are coming and you are talking whatever you want. Yeah, Anjali saying yes, sir. Anjali saying yes, sir. Anjali, God is seeing from top. Anjali, God is seeing from top. Anjali, remember God is seeing from top. Right. Nothing is there. So can we go further? Can we go further? Can we go further? Remember function, if you call a function, then only output will come. Calling means bracket required. See, calling means bracket required. This is. When you say calling, bracket required, like this bracket required. Calling means bracket required. See, here there is no, here also bracket is there. Function calling. Function calling means you will see some output 7. Here also function calling, some output 7. Here no bracket. Here no bracket, no function calling, simply function name. Here also no bracket, simply function name. Here also no bracket, simply function name. Function name means base address. Here bracket is there, it is a function calling. Here bracket is there, function calling. Here bracket is there, function calling. Okay, perfect. So this is, I think, if you observe, I think question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 here. Yeah, perfect. Go to question number 10. Question number 10, everyone understand. So previous example, if not okay, you verify, right? And you execute also. If anything wrong, let me know. For your practice purpose, I given. Next one, can you see this one? Int FAA bracket and 2 brackets. Let's check. I think 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. Int FAA. I think same. Can you check once? Int FAA bracket. I think function bracket and 2 square bracket. Function bracket, 2 square bracket. Now, as usual, go from left side. As usual, you go from left side. FAA, and one more. If any doubt is there, afterwards you can check. Concentrate this only. If any doubt is there, right? Afterwards you can check. Concentrate on this only. FAA, right? Just start from left side. Operand place stop. Operand place stop. So I stopped here. So as usual, you read. So this operand purpose, only one operator is fighting. Operator, see operators only. Int is not a operator, it is a keyword, right? So, right, only one operator bracket. So see this one. FAA is a function. FAA is a function which don't take anything, which will return integer. Which will return integer. FAA is a function which don't take anything, which will return integer. How this integer will point to this double array? How this integer point to double array? So it is invalid conclusion. It is invalid declaration. FAA is a function which don't take anything, which will return int how? Which will return int how? Which will return int okay. What about that? What about those 2 square bracket? Which will return int? What about those 2 square bracket? What exactly it is? Now can you go back and check? It is invalid declaration. See this one. A function returning, FA is a function returning integer, returning an array of int valid. See this one. It is invalid one. FA is a function which don't take anything, which will return into a square bracket square. Simply you want to say this FAA function don't take anything but returning integer double array. Remember, no function return array. Remember, no function return array. Single array also no function return. Double array also no function return. Function returning one array, it is not possible. Function returning a double array, it is not possible. It is an invalid story. It is an invalid story. Try to understand. Function cannot return one array. Function cannot return one double array. It is impossible. It cannot return. So see the question number 11. Int A 2 brackets. I think it is a normal story. What is that one? A is a double array where everyone is integer. A is a 2D array. A is a 2D array where everyone is integer. It's a normal story. But question number 10 saying that FA is a function which return integer double array. No function return array. No function return double array. No function return triple array. Please remember. No function return double array, single array, double array, triple array. It is not possible. But if you see the question number 11, AA is a double array where everyone is an integer. AA is a double array where everyone is integer. Okay, fine, that is okay. Question number 12 you go. Question number 12 you go same way. AA is a triple array where everyone is integer. That is also okay. Go to the question number 13 into star star FPP. Star star FPP. I think let's question number 13 I am going. Question number 13. Into star star FPP. Star star FPP. Into star star FPP bracket. Bracket also there. Bracket also there. I will read one time. Nothing, normal. Go to the operand first. Two people are fighting. Star also, bracket also. Bracket is the winner. Can you see this one? FPP is a function which don't take anything, which will return integer double pointer. Integer double pointer. FPP is a function, so something like this. FPP is a function which finally return integer double pointer. There may be inside something like into star star p there. You return p. Integer double pointer you are returning, something like that. FPP is a function which don't take anything, which will return integer double pointer. P is a double pointer. P is the integer double pointer you are returning. That is a valid statement. That is a valid statement. So if you want, you can check. Question number 13, a function returning a pointer to an integer pointer, same meaning. Right, next one. Question number 14, you go. Right, into AF bracket, square bracket and bracket. So I think remember operand will go with the nearest people. I think square bracket it will go. AF is a array. AF is a array. Remember, AF is a array. AF is a array where everyone is a integer function. Where everyone is a function which return integer. AF is a array where everyone is a int function. AF is a array where everyone is a function which return integer. So this may be the case. I think that number also let me write. Question number 14. Right, don't confuse. Question number 14. Some may be confuse you. Whichever confusing you, write down. Right, you can ask me. I will explain once again. That is not a big deal. You can ask in the group also. That is the purpose I created a group. So these are the GATE 2026 toppers. I wish you will also be there in the next year toppers. Yeah, so if you like EPT classes, you can refer to your friends. And one more new batch starting from 30th April. I think digital subject starting. 30 April onward, digital subjects starting. Right? If you are not completed, you can attend. Right? One of the teacher who is having around 20 years experience is going to teach. You will get the everything. Small doubt also there, you can ask. Right? He is going to help you. And one more thing is, if you attended to any mock, if you selected to any interview, just inform to us. We will arrange the mock interview. So these are the EPT faculty. And so total C programming is free. So you people can watch from the YouTube. IIIT Hyderabad, 6 exams are 6 mark tests are free. Please utilize. So you can join whatever course you like. Whatever course you like, you can attend. You can join. So every weekend there is a mentorship session, don't miss it. We will give the weekend targets and monthly targets also. These are the things which are there for practice purpose, you can utilize. So YEPT, all the classes are in the English only, live and recording possible. Daily tests are there, PYQs are there, and mentorship session is there. So, right, there is a strategy sessions also, right? These are the people by taking the EPT placement course, they got placed. So this is the placement course you can utilize. DSS Super 50 going on every afternoon 2 o'clock, right? If you are preparing for any interview, please take care of this also. Now come here. What is the question number? I think 14 maybe. Question number 14. One time listen. Question number 14. Into AF, this one. I think question number 14 is this only. Int AF square brackets. The meaning of this one is AF is a array. See this one. The meaning of this one is AF is a array. AF is a array. The meaning of this one is AF is a array which contain 10 slots. AF is a array which contain 10 slots. Okay, which contain 10 slots. I am very happy. AF is a array which contain 10 slots. Where everyone, AF is a array which contain 10 slots. Okay, where everyone, right, integer function. Where everyone is a function. Right, where everyone is a function which will return integer. Means everything is a function. Everyone is a function. Remember, no function can return, right? This one, no array contain function. No array contain inside function. It is impossible. These all are functions. It is impossible. Right? So array, listen, array contain data. Or array contain address. But array cannot contain function. It is an invalid story. Array contain, right? I have one array. In that array, every element is data. Every element is a pointer. But every element is a function. It is wrong. Where every element is a array, that is also wrong. In the array, every element is data, right? Every element is a pointer, right? See this one. Every element is data. It is acceptable. Every element of array is a pointer. That is also acceptable. But every element is a function. It is not acceptable. Every element is a array. It is also not acceptable. Inside array, see this one. Inside array, every element is array. It is not acceptable. Inside array, every element is a function. It is also not acceptable. Inside the array, every element is data. It is acceptable. Every element is a pointer. That is also acceptable. Every element is a function. It is not acceptable. Every element is a array. It is not acceptable. Thank you, Anik. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was nice to see you. I am blessed to see you once again. I am very happy, Anik. Thank you so much. Right? So remember what he's saying. AF is a array which contains 10 slots, where everyone is a function, which will return integer. Where everyone is a function which return integer, means here function, there here function. So remember, element cannot be a function. Element cannot be a array. Array elements cannot be arrays. Array elements cannot be function. Array elements are data. Array elements are pointer. Array element cannot be function. Array element cannot be array. So that's what I think. Question number, I think it is going to be question number 14. Question number 14. If you see this one, it is invalid. Learn. If anything new, please learn. An array of functions returning an integer. See this one. An array of functions returning integer means you want to say that it is invalid. An array of integers, okay. An array of pointers, okay. But an array of functions, not okay. Means inside array, every element is a function is not okay. An array of integer means inside the array everyone is an integer, okay. An array of pointer means every element is a pointer, okay. But an array of functions not okay, because every element is a function, not okay. Every element is once again array, it is also not okay. Right? I think you can see the 14th point only, you can see little more better way. It's a very interesting point. I will say that also. Question number 14, continuation. AF bracket, one more bracket, star, I will check once. Don't confuse, it's a complex C declaration, right? Name itself is complex C declaration. Can you see this one? Into AF star. So this is carefully understand what it means. It may be 10. Observe. It may be 10. What he is saying? Let's check. What he is saying? Let me check. AF is a array. AF is a array. Understand once. AF is a array which contain 10 slots. That is also okay. AF is an array which contain 10 slots. Okay, that's okay. AF is an array which contain 10 slots where every one is a pointer. See, it is a pointer. Remember, pointer. So pointer means some address. If I go to that address, what is there? Where every element is a pointer. If I go to that pointer, what is there? A function which don't take anything, which will return integer. What do I mean? There is a function. So you are giving 1000. If I go to 1000, there is a one function which don't take anything, which will return integer. So if I go to this address, there is a function which don't take anything, which will return integer. There is a function which don't take anything, right, which will return integer. So I think that's okay. So remember, elements can be pointers. Pointers of what? Pointers of function. Pointers of data. Pointers of array. I don't have any objection, right? Here can be data or pointer. Pointer of what? Pointer of function maybe. Pointer of array maybe. This is valid. Because inside you are keeping pointer. Inside here, you can keep pointer or data. You cannot keep inside. Inside you cannot keep directly integer. Sorry, directly array you cannot keep. Inside the array, directly don't keep array. Inside the array, don't keep directly function. Keep the pointer. If I go to that pointer, there should be a function. So that is okay. So what I mean to say is 14, don't do directly like this. Directly keeping functions are not a good idea. It is invalid. You can keep the same thing indirectly. How? Keep address. If I go to that address, function is there. Means functional pointer. So question number 14, first part invalid, second part is valid. So I done the some example also, please check. I done the some example also, please check. I done the some example also, please verify. Go to the question number 16. So if you observe clearly, FA purpose only one bracket is fighting. FA is a function which don't take anything, which will return integer array. Remember everyone, FA is a function. FA is a function which will return integer array. Function cannot return array. Function cannot return array. Understand? Function can return either data or address. It cannot return array. Function cannot return array. Remember, it is invalid. You can do indirectly, but you cannot do directly. See, FA is a function returning an array of integers. Means you are returning array. It is invalid. It is not valid because a function in C cannot return array. Indirectly, how to do? Directly, you cannot. If you want a function returning an array, you must return pointer to its first element or pass the array through parameter. What I want to say is you cannot do directly, indirectly. How? Right? Just return the pointer. See this one? I think one array I took static int array of 10. So now I am saying this one, return array. Everyone know returning array is nothing but base address you are returning. You are not returning the array, base address you are returning. Indirectly how to do, directly you cannot do. This is invalid declaration. This is invalid declaration. You have to say, right, indirectly. You have to say indirectly. Next one, can you see this one? Int ff, I think F. See this one. What is saying? Ff is a function which return again function. Function cannot return function. It is again invalid. Function cannot return function. Directly don't return function. Directly don't return arrays. Indirectly you can do. See, function cannot return function. Function cannot return arrays. Function can only return integer. Function can only return float. Function can only return some character. Right? Next one. Function can return pointers also. Function can return structure also. Pointer, right? Next one is functions can return pointer to function. Pointer, function cannot return, right? Function can return pointer to function. A function returning a function returning to int, this is illegal. Function cannot return function. That's what indirectly, directly, that discussion. Please take care. Remaining all the things also immediately, indirectly, directly same. Please go through it. Similar. Indirectly, directly, all are similar. Please go through it. Please go through it. All are similar. I request everyone, please go through it. This is the assignment. This is the assignment. Some people may say that, sir, where it is? It is, sir, where it is. Simply go to Gate CSC. Whenever you find out time, please finish it off all. Go to Gate CSC. Right there you will find out. So let's see this one. There, here you can write. Here you can write complex C declaration. Here you will return complex C declaration. Complex C declarations. Let's check. Yeah, complex C declaration in C programming. Then you will find out. I done, I think, almost like 15, I think 17 I done. 18 onwards you do. In my opinion, all same. In my opinion, but the conclusions are these are the conclusions. These are the conclusions. Can you see this one? In C, function cannot return function. Function cannot return array. Function can return basic types. Function can return pointer. Function can return structures. Function can return pointer to function. A function returning function. A function returning function, returning integer. This is illegal. Function cannot return function. Right? If you want something like this, function returning another function, then you have to do indirectly. In an alternative way, C allows function, see this one. Function returning a pointer. That pointer pointing to function. Indirectly you have to do. This means ff is a function that returns a pointer to a function. Yeah, I think I done myself. All are indirectly, directly similar. I request everyone, please practice. One place also little doubt there. Let me know. Because of so many there may be chance of small mistake also. You let me know, right? I will take care. Someone is saying that, what about 2D array? Remember, what about 2D array? What it means? 2D array also contain elements, na? 2D array also contain elements. We are talking about what a function can return. A function can return data. A function can return address. Function cannot return function. Function cannot return array. But indirectly you can do, directly you cannot do. Right? Fine. This is the assignment. I think from the 18 onwards, 18 or 19, yeah, 18 onwards. 18 to 36, 37 or 38, 18 to 38 assignment. Let me check this. Question number 18 to question number 38 assignment. Check yourself. Important points you write down yourself. Assignment. Question number 18 to question number 38. It's an assignment. Hope you are finding these classes useful. All resources are there in the description and in the first comment also, like doubt solving group link, 5,000 verified questions link, mock tests, quizzes and notes, and right? All the things whichever needed, all kept in the description. Please see, use them properly. These are the resources which you need. I have been guiding students since 2007. Many of my students secured top ranks in the competitive exam. My goal since 2007, from the last 18 years, my goal is very clear. Within 6 to 12 months, I want to make sure my students should crack all competitive exams. Whatever way you are watching these videos, right, these lectures, for all the subjects, similar way is there. Same clarity will be there. And I request everyone, comment your target exam, which exam you are targeting. What is the rank you are targeting? Please comment in the comment section. And comment this also, how many subjects you completed till now. What are the most difficult subjects you are feeling? And when you started the preparation, I request you, please comment so that we can help you accordingly. If these lectures are helping you, right, please comment and share it to your friends also. If you have any doubt at any point of time, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Keep growing, keep improving, and stay consistent. Thank you.